Here is the Olympus AZ1 zoom overall conditions. Okay, and the bottom part of here is the battery compartment. If you want to open it, you need to use some like this kind of screw, something lah. Okay, to press the button at the center part and push it. Okay, it's like this, and using 2 CRP2 battery. Okay, we just put accordingly and push it back. Okay, wait off. Okay. Next thing, by pulling here down to open the back cover, inside will be like this, and here's the film. But the film, we need to slide into this compartment to make sure that the motor have fit into the center part of the film. And we just put it inside, push the top in, pull the film tip to here. You can see here got orange line show that it's just the way to put the film tip lah. Okay, make sure your film is flat like this and close it to the load. When we on it, here show figure 1, which means that we have loaded the film successfully, and now we can start shooting. So here is the zoom in, zoom out. Here's the viewfinder, look into it. At the center point here, got a bracket, so you just use that bracket to aim whatever you want to focus, and half press it. Okay, you see light up like this, which means that it will trigger the flash and it's focused. You click it. Yeah, it will move to second. Okay, yeah, okay. If it's like this blinking, which means that it can't focus, so when we slightly adjust a bit, okay, yeah, it's okay. And about the flash setting, it's like this. Now it's like auto, and I recommend you put it at auto also lah, because we can't like, if you like off it, it might a little bit hard to shoot unless you hold it properly. Okay, then here's a soft timer. We click it, yeah, click it and click the shutter together. Okay, then here you have a red light up, means that the timer is start counting. It took around 10 seconds like that. When it's almost there, here we start blinking. Okay, wait for it. Yeah, like that. Okay, so it's same lah. Okay, you just like click the self timer, aim to the object first, click the self timer and click the shutter together to trigger it. Then this one is like backlight situation, click it and shoot it. Okay, this one is multi-exposure. When you click it, shoot, it won't move to the next shot. If you just also click, then it won't move. It's like multi-shot stacked in the one frame lah. So if you will have like double exposure or triple exposure and move, yeah, because I didn't press it anymore. And here is, yeah, flash mode. You can force flash, slow. This slow means that it will trigger the flash, just the shutter speed will be slow. And this one is off and auto, yeah. So here's macro, but macro is actually just like zooming it to the max like that, and it won't like have any special honestly to say. Yeah, I can, you see, it's still like a little bit hard to focus. Yeah, so I won't recommend you to shoot it at macro lah. Okay, and here got the on and got dual mode. One is single shot and another one is like continuous shooting. Continuous shooting is, I'll try for you. Half press. Okay, if I didn't release, it will keep shooting. Yeah, see, like that, and swipe to here to off it, so it will be like this. And when you shoot finish, it will auto rewind, so no worry in using, and hope you enjoy it.